In our last video, we had saw like how to join uh, right angle triangle and inverted right angle triangle using scanner class. So in this video, we will look into the right angle triangle, flipping of right angle triangle. So first, let us print the right angle triangle using the same scanner class. Int number of rows equal to. So for using the scanner, first we need to declare the scanner class. Scanner input equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, yeah, done. Now in number of rows equal to input dot, as we are taking the integer type, next int. Okay, next. Sorry. Now let's start the loop for in rows equal to 1, rows less than or equal to number of rows plus. Okay, next we need to write the columns. Int column equal to 1, sorry, column equal to rows. Okay, while column greater than 1, then we need to print the star using print, not using println. We need to use the print column. Okay, next what we need to do, we need to reduce the column size. Okay, next after finishing the column, we need to enter the new row. So we need to use the println statement for printing the new line with empty braces, with empty input. Let's execute this. We need to pass the input. See, we got column numbers. Instead of that, I need star. Okay, let's execute once again. Oh, it will give you the error because I need to enter star in double quotes. Building source main. I need to enter the input because I'm using scanner. So I just want to know like whether I reached this scanner statement or not. I will use this system dot out dot println enter input. Okay, fine. Till now we just printed the right angle triangle. Now we need to flip this right angle triangle. So flipping, first what we need to do, as we need to enter the spaces, as we can see, the last one, the last column, last row is consist of 5 stars. So our output should be in simple way. Control A, sorry, let me clear it. Okay, so now it's in 1 2. Okay, currently our right angle triangle is in this way after flipping. So how we need to flip? If we had flip, the last line should be, the last line consists of how many rows? 5, 1 2 3 4 5 stars, and the before that one we need to have 4 stars with 1 space. Next 3 stars, 1 2 3 2 stars, and finally 1 star. Okay, our output should be flipped of right angle triangle in this way. So here if I had observed, the last line is same. For fourth line it got added one space, and for third line two spaces, and second line three spaces, and first line it's four spaces. So here we need to insert this space. How we can now we need to insert how we can insert. So simple. Let's start, declare one more variable. Okay, inside this int space equal to, let's start like 0. Okay, while space greater than less than, okay, y is space less than number of rows minus what we need to take. We need to take the rows, or else we can take column, anything we can take it as. Okay, next we need to print this space. System.out.print, don't use println, use print, because in single line we need to print these spaces. Space plus plus. Let's execute this. My input is 5. Yes, as we can see, we had successfully flipped the right angle triangle. So what is the logic behind this? As it's simply we took spaces as 0. Here we just took spaces as 0, so space start from 0, and number of rows. How many rows? We are just taking the input as 5, and it started from 1, so 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1, how much? It's simple, you know that, 4. So in first line it printed 1 2, as we can see, 1 2 3 4, 4 spaces. Next our column got increased to, after printing star, row got increased and column got increased to 2. So 5 minus 2, it's 3. So again space started from 0, printed one space, and space got increased. In a similar way it took 1 2 3 spaces. So similarly to the next lines. So this is how we can flip over right angle triangle. Thank you friends.